Oxy Home Basic, small, elegant, and versatile. Oxy Home Basic is the home system that allows you to have a professional oxygen skincare therapy right in your own home whenever you want it, even when you're on the road. It's easy to transport thanks to its storage bag, which carries everything that you need. The thing that distinguishes Oxy Home Basic from other oxygen therapy systems is its unique monodose of the serums. Thanks to the system, you are sure to have a new product with every application, with the right amount every time. Thanks to this monodose system, you are guaranteed to be using the right amount and a fresh product with every application. Okay, let us begin. In order to get the best results with our Oxy Home, it is necessary to do a thorough cleansing with our products from the Oxy Genesis line, starting with the cleansing fluid, which I will apply on our model, one of our clients, who has agreed to do this treatment with us today. I will do a deep cleansing in order to do a scrub to eliminate all the dead cells so that we can evenly spread the serum with the active ingredient, and that is going to be our Oxy therapy. The preparation is very important. Before doing the treatment, the cleansing must be done properly. The main ingredient of the scrub is based on amniotic acids. It is a technical scrub. Therefore, it is made of little particles, very, very small microgranules, which are very, very thin. It makes it adaptable for every type of skin, even very sensitive skin. It is absolutely necessary to apply it before doing the treatment. That is, before applying the serum. So let's start with a small light facial massage. Once done, you will take 2 facial sponges soaked in water and wash away all of the scrub, as you can see right now. Now, let's apply the tonic. Let me point out to you at this time the immediate difference that we see on the skin. After about 10 minutes, we can see more of a difference, a considerable difference, especially around the eye area and around the lips, the eyelid, beneath, all around the facial area. There are no side effects. The client can apply this application as many times as she wishes. Once a day, 2-3 times a week, not a problem at all. When the device is given to the client, the packaging bag contains all the products that we are using at the moment. Inside the bag, there is a box which contains 10 serums and 10 cleaners. The cleaners are needed to clean the device. The best way to keep up the maintenance of our device is to keep it clean by using the cleaners which are inside the box. After each treatment, you need to use one of the cleaners, using the same procedure that I'm about to show you on how to apply the serum directly to the skin. There are 10 types of serums: anti-aging, antitoxin, extreme lifting, anti-spotting, moisturizing, firming, regenerating, ultra-hydrating, special night, and special and relax. One for each type of skin type. Being that they are monodoses, which is our trademark, and I like to mention this because our system, which is called the Oxygen system, has been registered as a trademark worldwide. It is unique because it's a monodose system where all we have to do is screw on the serum container to the airbrush, to the pistil of the airbrush that is, and replace the cap, push it down, and pop it open. That way the container will release all the serum into the airbrush. In this case, I have chosen the anti-age serum, which is the most elaborate of them all, the most appropriate one for this client. Now, we will screw it onto the device and compress it, just like I said before. We will turn the machine on, and we will put it to its maximum level. This way, we can begin to distribute the serum and the oxygen together. We can apply it very, very close to the skin. just the way I'm doing it now. You see, this is exactly what the client can do for herself at home, in front of a mirror. It's very easy, very effective. Apply it to all the areas where there are problems, around the bags of your eyes, or where there's swelling, on the spots. It's great for spotting. In fact, we have a serum which is specific for spotting. It's called anti-spotting. The principal ingredient is a salicylic acid, vitamin C concentrate, which helps the pigmentation of the skin, helping to remove the spotting. Obviously, not immediately, but after 10 minutes, within some time, the results are so clear, they will be shown immediately. This is how effective the treatment is. The skin immediately reacts to the serum by showing to be more firmer, to be more luminous. Therefore, it is a real true beauty treatment. Obviously, on a more mature skin, starting from the age of 35 or older, use the serum which is more specific for wrinkles. By no doubt, it is very enjoyable treatment. As you can see, we can get very, very close to the eye without any sort of problem, without any sort of burning. Being that this is a monodose system, which means we can only do 1 container of serum per application, we can at least do 20 to 30 minutes per container. You can choose to do a 15-minute and a 15-minute on each side of the face, or you can do a half hour on the entire face. Let me show you how you can do the movements. You can move towards the neck. It obviously depends on the client's needs. It's very effective on the upper part of the hand as well. It's great for wrinkles, dark spots, as I've mentioned before. We can already see this evening that our client's skin is already looking firmer, more luminous. By tomorrow morning, the skin will be just absolutely radiant, rejuvenated, because the skin works better in the evening, and so does the serum. Now, let me show you how to move the device. It needs to be very close to the skin surface, and the movements are to be circular. A circular motion, moving outwards. You can even pull the skin. You can pull it back. You can work towards the lips. You can work the eye area. You can work around the nasal cavity. Anywhere you feel that's necessary. You can even work the cheekbone. The brow is very good too. The inner eyelid is great. The skin will be firmer and more luminous wherever you apply the serum. If there are wrinkles and they are deeper, get very close to the skin, just the way I'm doing it right now. You can even touch the skin with the airbrush. It won't create any sort of damage. It will not have a side effect. The serum will only penetrate deeper into the skin, giving it a better effect. 10 minutes, just in 10 minutes, and we have obtained these great results. Just look at it, it's amazing. Now that we're almost done, I will explain to you what we need to do. Okay, once again, let's look at the results. Fantastic, incredible. Really, just more luminous. And look at there, dark, not pretty, and brown spots all over and swollen. On the other side, it's all gone. It's just looking like a new lady. Okay, let's move on. Let's take apart our device. Unscrew the capsule, place it down, and put back the airbrush onto the device in its holding position, okay? I'll talk about the cleaning afterwards. What we're going to do now is apply the last step. What you can see here is a cabin cream, but this cream is the same exact one that you will find inside your kit. The application of this cream completes the treatment. This cream, Oxygen Genesis, which we'd mentioned before, is an excellent anti-spotting cream. Although, if you have oily skin, only use a small amount. But if you have dry skin, then you could use a more generous amount. The cream is very rich, so therefore use it accordingly. The client will receive this bag, the traveling bag, which I had mentioned before. It contains the Oxy Home system. It has all of the accessories that are needed, the airbrush, the tubing, and the creams. Roberta, our assistant, will show us how it is so easy to use the Oxy Home at home by ourselves, in front of a mirror, doing a simple treatment with any type of the serums that we find within our package. Roberta has chosen the firming serum, which gives a relaxed look to the skin. The treatment is done in front of a mirror and begins with the cleansing of the skin. Take off any of your makeup using the cleansing milk from the Oxy Genesis line. She simply takes off her makeup the way you do every day, nothing unusual. She will apply then the scrub, which is very important for the treatment. The scrub is an active ingredient. The active ingredient within the scrub is the amniotic acid, which can be used 3 or 4 times a week if necessary. It is applied with a small massage on your face, okay? Then you will be using facial sponges which have been immersed in water to remove it. You need to remove the scrub. Once removed, you will apply the toner, which will conclude the facial cleansing and help to close your pores, tighten your skin. Now that your skin is cleansed and the cleansing is completed, the first thing Roberta will do is take the chosen serum, apply it to the air pistol, screw it on. Remember, you now need to pop open the container by using the cap of the container. So once it's screwed on to the airbrush, you then will take the cap, put it onto the back of the container, squeeze it down, and pop open the container of the serum, releasing the liquid into the airbrush. You will turn on your device, and then you will start to apply your serum. You could spread it all over your face, around your brows, around your wrinkles. You can pull back the skin, get into the little creases of the wrinkles themselves, go around the labial area. You can go right onto your neck, as you can see right now. Push down the valve for more pressure so you can get into the wrinkles themselves. See, push it down, more serum comes out. You're controlling the pressure of the pistol. You can work around your lower eyelid area, your upper eyelid area. Don't be afraid to even touch the skin if you want to, if there's a certain area that you want to work on more. Just enjoy the treatment, go around your entire face, get the serum where it needs to be applied. You can do it on your hands. It's excellent on your hands. Take away those brown spots. Take away those wrinkles. You just want your skin to look softer, younger, more luminous, more radiant. You can use this application on any part of the skin where it's access to sun or wind or cold. Or maybe you even just wash your dishes without gloves and you want them to look better. This is the way to do it. This is the way to make your skin look younger. I'd like to point out the valve at the end of the airbrush. If you turn this valve, you open and closing it, allowing it to give you more pressure for the serum that is being taken out of the pistol, okay? The little button, like I said before, is an on-off button, and that allows the serum to come out of the pistol as well, but the valve controls the pressure. Okay, our treatment is done. Now, the important thing is to clean the airbrush pistol. Please, don't forget to do this step. It is a very important step. If you don't do this step, the pistol will get clogged. The serum will remain inside. So, please take from your kit one of the containers that contains the cleansing fluid, okay? This is the cleaning fluid, if you want to call it that. You will unscrew the cap, the way you did with the serum. Then you will screw it on to the pistol. You will open the valve and you will let all of the liquid finish through spraying through the pistol. Now, to conclude our treatment, please don't forget to put on your moisturizing cream, the Oxy Genesis Facial Cream. Thank you, ladies. I hope you enjoy the product,